Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. Today's topic is asparagus. This vibrant vegetable with its unique flavor and satisfying crunch is a delightful addition to any meal. But asparagus is more than just a tasty treat. It is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, offering a variety of health benefits. In this exploration of asparagus, we will discover why this vegetable deserves a place on your plate, from its rich nutritional profile to its cultural significance and sustainable farming practices. Asparagus offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of healthy eating. Join us as we explore the wonderful world of asparagus, discovering its versatility, health benefits, and the dedication of those who bring it to our tables. Prepare to be amazed by the humble yet powerful asparagus. Asparagus is naturally low in calories, making it a friend to those watching their weight, but don't let its low calorie count fool you. This vegetable is bursting with essential nutrients. Vitamins abound in asparagus, including vitamins K, C, A, and folate. It's also a good source of B vitamins, crucial for energy production and cell health. Minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and iron also make their presence known in this nutritional powerhouse. Beyond these essential nutrients, asparagus boasts a rich supply of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect your cells against damage from harmful free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. The impressive nutritional profile of asparagus translates into a wide array of health benefits. Let's explore how this remarkable vegetable can contribute to a healthier you. Asparagus is a good source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. Folate, a key nutrient found in asparagus, plays a vital role in cell growth and development. This is especially important during pregnancy, as folate is crucial for the healthy development of the baby's neural tube, which later forms the brain and spinal cord. Vitamin K, another nutrient abundant in asparagus, is essential for blood clotting. It also plays a role in bone health, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Some studies suggest that vitamin K may even contribute to lower blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular health. Section 4. Beyond the Basics. More reasons to love asparagus. Beyond the already impressive list of health benefits, asparagus offers even more reasons to include it in your diet. Let's explore some additional advantages of this versatile vegetable. Asparagus is a natural diuretic, meaning it can help flush excess water from your body. This can be beneficial for those who experience bloating or water retention. Some people believe that asparagus can help alleviate hangover symptoms. While scientific evidence is limited, asparagus contains compounds that may help protect the liver from the toxic effects of alcohol. The prebiotic fiber in asparagus acts as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall health. Section 5. Asparagus. Around the world, culture, economy, and challenges. Asparagus is enjoyed worldwide, holding cultural and economic significance in various regions. Let's take a journey to explore the global impact of this remarkable vegetable. Oceana County, Michigan, proudly holds the title of Asparagus Capital of the World. Asparagus farming is deeply rooted in the region's history and identity. The annual Asparagus Festival celebrates the harvest and the community's connection to this special vegetable. However, asparagus farmers face challenges, including economic pressures, changing agricultural policies, and the increasing costs of production. Despite these obstacles, many farmers remain committed to traditional and sustainable farming practices, preserving the legacy of asparagus for future generations. In Japan, mountain asparagus, a delicacy prized for its unique flavor, is harvested using specialized techniques. Farmers carefully dig trenches around the asparagus plants, allowing the spears to grow underground, protected from sunlight. This labor-intensive process results in tender white asparagus spears that are highly sought after. Section 6, From Field to Fork, The Journey of Asparagus. The journey of asparagus from field to fork is a testament to the hard work of farmers and workers. Let's trace the path of this vegetable, from its humble beginnings to our plates. Harvesting asparagus is labor-intensive, requiring daily effort during peak season. Modern techniques ensure asparagus reaches consumers fresh and in optimal condition. Section 7. Embrace the goodness of asparagus. As we've discovered, asparagus is much more than just a green spear on your plate. It's a nutritional powerhouse, a versatile ingredient, a cultural icon, and a testament to sustainable farming practices. From its rich vitamin and mineral content to its role in promoting digestive health and supporting overall well-being, asparagus offers a wealth of benefits. Incorporating asparagus into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy it roasted, grilled, sautéed, or steamed. Add it to salads, stir-fries, omelets, or pastas. Unleash your creativity in the kitchen by exploring the various culinary possibilities of asparagus. The next time you visit the farmer's market or a grocery store, make sure to pick up a fresh bunch of asparagus. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for watching. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. If you found value in this content, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Your support really helps the channel grow. Together we can spread the word about the many ways to improve our diet and lifestyle, creating a healthier world for everyone. Don't forget to check the links for additional resources. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.